There were many modules, books, dictionaries, and commentaries that were installed when you install the Word software on your PC. The question now arises, where are they and how do we access them? In our Bible view up here, if you recall, in our earlier slide, we turned on multiple tab rows. So this displays all of the Bible translations that are on your system. However, down in this bottom left window, we have dictionaries, and the bottom right, we have commentaries. You notice there's a little double arrow. I'm going to click that. That shows me all of the works that are installed on this computer that fall under the category of dictionaries. And if you simply pause your mouse over one of the abbreviations, usually you'll get a larger description of what it is that you're looking at. Same thing is true in commentaries. These bars indicate works that fall into the commentary category. We'll discuss why some are highlighted and others are not highlighted in a further video. Let's go to the bottom left and let's look at where the books are. I'm going to go here to the little arrow to the next to the green dictionary, and I'm going to click it. Right now I have this window restricted to only display dictionaries. I could have another commentary window open if I wanted to, like its cousin to the right. Or if I click on books, now all of a sudden when I use these arrows, here is all the works that were installed on your computer under the category of books. If I click it again, I can change the category to maps and graphics. Now I have access to these items. I can also click this again and go all modules. If I do all modules, now I can have access to the entire library at once. This can be kind of cumbersome, so usually it's good to restrict the view to a particular category. And if you want to open another book view, we could go under Window, New Book View. I'm going to grab this corner edge and I'm going to expand this. Now I have access to all the books by clicking on those arrows again. I'm going to close this view. That's where your documents are, and that's how to access them. The way you find a specific work, like for example, when I click back to dictionaries, if you notice Mickelson's went away. I can either click these arrows and click on Mickelson's, or I could hit the expansion magnifying glass and I could type in the first few letters of a dictionary or a book or a commentary, and then I could select from the drop down which particular book I wanted, and it will become the active item. So take a moment, take a look at the book view, use your double arrows, and I'm not clicking, I'm just putting my mouse over the arrow and holding it. You also have a file on the installation that tells you all the different works that was installed. It might be a little easier to read that than to scroll through the entire list of books here. So let's change this back to dictionaries. I'm going to hit the little search icon. I'm going to type Mickelson's. Click on it. It's active. And now we're ready for the next module.